Every day, doctors face an endless flow of lab reports. Page after page, number after number, each one needing careful review to ensure patient safety. But as reports pile up, the hours spent on manual checks quickly add up, pulling doctors and staff away from their true calling, caring for patients. For hospitals, keeping pace with this demand often means adding more hands to sift through reports, a costly solution that still leaves room for human error and delayed identification of critical cases. Now, imagine a new possibility. The Lab Report Severity Check AI agent steps in as a tireless partner, automatically retrieving lab results, analyzing data, and instantly flagging which cases are routine, abnormal, or severe. Routine reports are taken care of in real time. Only the most urgent cases reach a doctor's desk for review, ensuring that critical issues never slip through the cracks. Doctors remain firmly in control, making the final call on severe cases, while the agent handles routine triage with precision and consistency at scale. The result? Physicians reclaim hours in their day, operational costs go down, and patients get the care they need faster and more safely than ever before. With the Lab Report Severity Check AI agent, manual review becomes intelligent automation. The burden fades, efficiency rises, trust is strengthened, and healthcare moves forward, empowering medical teams and transforming patient care for good. Let's understand the Lab Report Severity Check AI agent solution. A lab assistant begins by entering patient lab details into the system. Automation Anywhere's Agentic automation then securely retrieves all lab data using API tasks and evaluates each patient's health status along with clinical notes. Severe cases are intelligently routed for human approval before any update is made, while normal and abnormal cases are automatically updated without intervention. Once processing is complete, a consolidated summary email is sent to doctors and the hospital. Now you're looking at the Lab Report Manager POC website. All the data you see here is dummy data, since real medical information is confidential. On this screen, all lab reports are listed with a patient ID, patient name, and detailed lab values. You can also view all registered patients under the Patients tab. There is a separate option to add new patient details, and another option to add lab reports for a selected patient. Now, let's add a lab report manually to understand how the process works. I'll select a patient, enter the lab report values one by one. And click on Add Lab Report. This creates a new lab report with a pending status, and the clinical notes are marked as NA. By default, every new report remains pending because the final health status is calculated by the automation agent. Now, let's move to the agentic automation process. This is the Lab Report Severity Check AI agent. The process is designed using 3 swim lanes. The start of the process, the AI agent with Human-in-the-Loop, and the end of the process. Let's run the process now and watch the execution in real time. The process begins when a human user enters an email address to receive the lab summary report and clicks Continue. The agent first gets existing patient processing data using an API task. Next, the agent classifies each patient's health status by analyzing the lab report investigations. Once the health status is determined, the agent generates medical notes for each patient based on the severity and lab values. For normal and abnormal cases, the agent automatically updates the patient health status on the website using an API task. For severe cases, the process pauses and waits for human approval. A detailed approval form is displayed to the doctor with all relevant patient and lab information. Let's assume the doctor rejects patient PAT 010 based on the severity data and approves patient PAT 007 after review. The agent captures the doctor's final decision. And updates the system only for the approved cases, while rejected cases are skipped for manual review. After processing is complete, the agent triggers a task bot to send the summary email. A consolidated summary of all patient lab reports is then sent to the hospital and laboratory. On the website, you can now see that health status and medical notes have been automatically updated for all processed patients by the AI agent. All clinical notes shown here are generated by the agent itself. Any remaining pending cases can be handled manually if the doctor feels further review is required. Or the report can be deleted and re-entered with updated lab readings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment your thoughts.